Microsoft Excel 2010 has many new features that will help you be more productive in less time. The new slicers are interactive buttons that appear right on the worksheet next to pivot tables, just like shapes or other objects. They allow you to easily filter and drill down into data. Instead of applying multiple report filters, you simply click slicer buttons to show or hide data. Slicers allow you to see what you're doing at all times and aid in helping you make great-looking reports. Spark lines are also new. Use them to show trends and patterns for ranges of data. These graphics are embedded right into what they're describing and look like mini charts. Spark lines let you instantly communicate patterns and meaning for numbers that may otherwise be hard to interpret at a glance. The Backstage view is where you create, open, print, or otherwise manage your workbook files. You can assign file permissions, prepare the file for sharing, and manage draft versions for each file. You can also check for personal information before you distribute the file and make sure your file is both compatible with earlier versions of Excel and accessible to people who have visual or other disabilities. To exit Backstage view, click any tab on the ribbon. Using conditional formatting, you can highlight interesting cells or ranges of cells, emphasize unusual values, and visualize data by using data bars, color scales, and icon sets. In Excel 2010, you have access to more icon sets, including triangles, stars, and boxes. You can also mix and match icons from different sets and more easily hide icons from view. For example, you might choose to show icons only for high profit values and omit them for middle and lower values. If you frequently work with large data sets, you can download the Power Pivot for Excel 2010 add-in, which adds a Power Pivot tab to the ribbon. When you use Power Pivot, working with large amounts of data is fast and responsive. What's more, Power Pivot for Excel also includes a wizard that you can use to import data from different sources, from large corporate databases on your intranet, to public data feeds, to spreadsheets and text files on your computer. Once you bring data into Power Pivot, you can pivot it, filter it, and use other familiar Excel tools to work with and analyze it. The new Microsoft Excel 2010 helps you manage your data more quickly, visualize trends, and easily share results with your team.